Next. Oh, this is going to be difficult because we decided yesterday, where's Gary, that Tuesdays were going to be workshops, but I see now Turangi-Tongariro Community Board on Tuesday afternoon. So we can only have a workshop in the morning, which we are having, which is the AC Barb's workshop.
That's a different date.
AC Barb's, that's what I said.
Next Tuesday.
So that that's the following Tuesday, but so the workshop, the AC Barb's is 10 till 12. I sort of got the impression yesterday that councillors are wanting virtually all-day workshops on a Tuesday. Is that right? No?
No, it was just if required.
If required.
Yeah.
So is any workshop required by councillors for the afternoon of next Tuesday?
Yep.
How are we looking with KPI?
We were just waiting for Greg Timms to come back.
It's very handy to have a lunch break and then do another workshop.
It'll be too short of a notice, I'd say. Rick, we only decided that yesterday.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. That's out. Okay, well that's, anybody else got any more input into the council engagements for September?
Make my apologies now, Rick. I cannot be here until probably the Tuesday 25th meeting. If I can put my apologies now, please.
Cool. Everyone's entitled to hold it.
Thank you.
Anybody else have any input? No? Okay. Zone 2 meeting. Sorry, Councillor Cook?
I'm sorry, it's not actually a council engagement as stuff, but the Trust Power Community Awards are being presented next Monday night, 3rd of September at 5:30. So if any councillors were available, I know that the Trust Power and Classic Hits and everyone else involved would appreciate councillor attendance.
I will certainly be there. Just one other I want to mention.